Good morning, all of you. Today we are going to learn digital switching system. It's a part of electronic switching system. So, firstly, I am explaining what is switching. A switch transfers signals from one port to an appropriate output. A basic problem is then how to transfer traffic to the correct output port. In the early telephone network operates closed circuits manually. In modern circuit switches, this is done electronically in digital switches. If no circuit is available when a call is made, it will be blocked or rejected. When a call is finished, a connection teardown is required to make the circuit available for another user. Crossbar switch. A crossbar switch with n input lines and n output lines contains n cross n array of cross points that connect each input line to one output line. In modern switches, each cross points is semiconductor gate. Diagram of crossbar switch is in below. Switching functions. Basic elements of communication networks are terminals, transmission media and switches. Basic functions of any switch is to set up and release connections between transmission channel as needed basis. Computers are used to control the switching functions of a central office. Basically, there are two types of switching system: circuit switching and packet switching. Circuit switched network assigns a dedicated communication path between the two stations. It involves point to point from terminal node to network, internal switching and multiplexing among switching nodes, data transfer, circuit disconnect. Advantages of circuit switching are: once communication is established, network is transparent, node seems to be directly connected, fixed data rate with no delay. Disadvantages of circuit switching networks are: it can be inefficient, resources are dedicated to connection even if no data is sent, delay prior to use connection. Space division switching, developed for analog environment. Here separate physical parts. In crossbar switch, the given structure is a crossbar switch network. There are no cross points grow with square of the lines attached n cross n array of cross points. The loss of cross points means the loss of connection between the corresponding points. Only fraction of cross points are used even when all the points are fully active. Non-blocking switching type, less signaling requirement from the network. Multi-stage switch. In multi-stage switch, there are some features. Less number of cross points are needed, more than one route for a connection, more signaling from the network, a blocking switching type. Here there is a structure of multi-stage switch. If k is less than n, if the first stage has k connection, all the other connection will blocked. Non-blocking switching. When multi-stage switch becomes non-blocking, the multi-stage switch with k is equal to 2n minus 1 is non-blocking. The number of cross points required in 3-stage switch is the sum of following components. These are the equations of non-blocking system. Blocking probabilities. Strictly non-blocking switches are rarely needed in most voice telephone networks. Switching system and the number of circuits in inter-office trunk groups are sized to service most requests as they occur. Economics dictates that network implementations have limited capacities that occasionally exceeded during peak traffic situations. Equipments for the public telephone network is designed to provide a certain maximum probability of blocking for the busiest hour of the day. Grade of service of the telephone company depends on the blocking probability, availability, transmission quality, and delay. Residential lines are busy 5 to 10% of the time during the busy hour. And in last, network blocking occurrence on the order of 1% during the busy communicate since the called party is much more likely to have been busy anyway. Evaluation of blocking probability. Probability graph are proposed by C.Y. Lee, so it is also called Lee graph. Simplifying approximations are needed. Formulas directly relate to the underlying network structures. Here, P represents the fraction of the time that a particular link is in use, or P is the probability that a link is busy. Q is equal to 1 minus P is the probability that the link is ideal. When any one of n parallel links can be used to complete a connection, the composite blocking probability B is the probability that all links are busy. So B is equal to P to the power n. When a series of n links are all needed to complete a connection, the blocking probability is mostly determined as 1 minus the probability that they are all available. So B is equal to 1 minus Q to the power n. Probability graph. Any particular connection can be established with k different paths, one through each center stage array. B is equal to probability that all paths are busy, probability that an arbitrary path is busy, or probability that at least one link in a path is busy. So B is equal to 1 minus Q dash square whole to the power k. If the probability P that as inlet is busy is known, the probability P dash that an interstage link is busy can be determined as P dash is equal to P by beta. There are beta is equal to K by n times as many interstage links as there are inlets and outlets. The percentage of interstage link that are busy is reduced by the factor beta. If beta is less than 1, then the first stage is concentrating the incoming traffic. Three-stage switch design. The blocking probability of three-stage switch in terms of inlet utilization P. B is equal to 1 minus P by beta square whole to the power k. Time division switching. Mostly all modern circuit switches are time division switches. Time slot interchange. It is based on synchronous TDM. Multiple low speed inputs share a high speed line. There is no need for address bits in each slot synchronous. The slot could be a bit a byte or a longer block. MUX, TSI, DMUX. MUX stand for multiplexer, DMUX, demultiplexer. Incoming data slots are written into sequential locations of the data stored memory. Data words for outgoing time slots are read from addresses obtained from a control store. Switch matrix control. Crosspoint selection within a matrix is accomplished in one of two ways: input associated control, output associated control. Hybrid switches. Hybrid switch design: two-dimensional switching, time space switch, space time space switch, time space time switch. So, time space TS switch, next space time space STS switch, time space time TST switch. Implementation complexity of TDS. Total number of cross points alone is less meaningful. We have to include cost of implementation, including control bits, cost of number bits versus cost of cross points. Use the ratio as 100. Complexity: nx plus nb by 100, where nx is equal to number of space stage cross points, nb is the number of bits of memory and control. Implementation complexity example. It is determined the implementation complexity of the TS switch shown in previous slide. TDM input lines n is equal to 80. Each input contains a single DS1, 24 channels. Assume a one stage matrix is used. For the space stage, number of cross points n cross nx is equal to 80 square, 6400. Implementation complexity: total number of memory bits, space stage control store nbx, number of links multiplied by number of control words. Total stage nbt is equal to time slot interchange memory plus control. These are the formula of a space stage and time stage control store. STS switch, space time space switch. Blocking probability of STS switch B is equal to 1 by q dash square whole to the power k, where q dash is equal to 1 minus p, p dash is equal to 1 minus p by beta, so beta is equal to k by n, and k is equal to number of center stage time switch arrays. Assume that each TDM link has C message channels. Complexity of STS switch is equal to number of space stage cross points plus number of space stage control bits plus number of time stage memory bits plus number of time space stage control bits. So there is an example. So in a question, determine the implementation complexity of a 2048 channel STS switch implemented for 16 TDM links with 128 channels on each link. The desired maximum blocking probability is 0.002 for channel occupancies of 0.1. So here kx is equal to 7, beta is equal to 0.002, nx, by the formula we get nx, nb, and n is equal to nx plus nb by 100, so we can get answer 430. TST switch, time space time switch. Here structure of TST switch are shown. TSST switching structure. Time, space, time switching structure is a multi-stage switches shown below.